Ever wondered if a machine could understand and respond to you just like a human? Welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy, it's a present reality. It's in your smartphones, your cars, your homes, the ability of machines to simulate human intelligence, to learn, to solve problems. It's all around us, and it's transforming the way we live and work. One such marvel of AI is OpenAI's ChatGPT. Imagine having a conversation with a computer where it understands and responds to you. That's what ChatGPT does. ChatGPT, or Generative Pre-training Transformer, is a language model developed by OpenAI. It's a virtual chatterbox that can converse with you on a wide range of topics. But how does it work? Well, it all starts with its training. ChatGPT is trained on a diverse range of text from the internet. This is not just any text, but a massive amount. Imagine every book, every article, every forum post ever made. This wide-ranging dataset gives ChatGPT a vast vocabulary and an understanding of various contexts and styles. So, when you type a message to ChatGPT, it doesn't just pull a response from its database. Instead, it generates a response word by word. It's like a game of predicting the next word in a sentence. If you say, "the sky is," it might predict blue or cloudy, depending on the context. But here's the thing. ChatGPT doesn't actually know anything about the world. It's not aware that the sky is blue or that clouds are white. It doesn't know who the current president is or what the latest fashion trend is. It's just predicting based on patterns in the data it was trained on. Let's take an example. If you ask ChatGPT who won the World Cup in 2023, it can't check the latest news to give you the answer. Instead, it will make a prediction based on the patterns it observed during its training. If it often saw phrases like "Brazil won the World Cup" in its training data, it might predict Brazil as the answer. But remember, it's just a guess, and that's the beauty of ChatGPT. It's a clever mimic, a digital parrot that can generate human-like text based on the patterns it's learned. It's like having a conversation with the collective consciousness of the internet, all wrapped up in a neat, user-friendly package. So, while it may seem like ChatGPT understands, it's actually just predicting based on what it learned during training. While ChatGPT is impressive, it's important to remember that it's not perfect. It is a marvel of modern artificial intelligence, but it does have its limitations. For starters, ChatGPT can sometimes be a little too creative for its own good. It might on occasion conjure up facts or associations that simply don't exist, fabricating information from thin air. It's a bit like that friend who never lets the truth get in the way of a good story. Secondly, while it's adept at understanding words, it doesn't always grasp the full context behind them. It can interpret sentences, yes, but it doesn't truly comprehend the human experiences that shape our communication. It's like trying to understand a book by only reading every other page. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool, not a human replacement. It's there to augment our capabilities, not to mimic them perfectly. ChatGPT is an incredible tool, but it's still a work in progress. So what does this mean for us and the future of AI? Well, let's ponder on this for a bit. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword or a plot for a sci-fi movie. It's an integral part of our lives now. It's in our phones, our cars, our homes, and even in our workplaces. It's reshaping the way we interact with technology and with each other. One such example is ChatGPT. This AI marvel is not just a chatbot, it's a conversational partner. It can understand context, it can generate creative responses, and it can even mimic human-like conversation. This makes it a powerful tool, one that can be used in a myriad of ways. Think about it. It can be a tutor, helping students understand complex concepts. It can be a customer service rep, handling queries round the clock. It can be a creative partner, helping writers overcome writer's block. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. However, with great power comes great responsibility. We need to ensure that these AI tools are used ethically and responsibly. We need to understand their limitations and their potential for misuse. We need to set the right expectations and use them to complement, not replace, human interactions. As we continue to improve and fine-tune AI, who knows what possibilities we might unlock in the future. Until then, let's marvel at the wonders of AI like ChatGPT.